Okay, now let's try to understand how to calculate the profit and loss.
Is 10 and the selling price is 15. Is it a profit or a loss? Since the selling price is greater than the cost price, we can say that it is a profit. And what is the profit equal to? The profit is equal to selling price minus the cost price. That is 15 minus 10, which equals 5. A profit of 5 rupees means that the product was sold at 5 rupees higher than the cost price. Now assume the cost price is 10 and the selling price is 7. Since the selling price is less than the cost price, we can say that it is a loss. And how is the loss calculated? Loss is equal to cost price minus the selling price. That is 10 minus 7, which is 3. In the first case, we saw a profit of 5. And in the second case, we saw a loss of 3. If you find the formulae confusing, follow this procedure. First, by looking at the CP and the SP, find out if it's a profit or a loss. And then subtract the lower number from the higher number.
Now, in case you look at this particular, just give me a minute. Okay, in case you look at this particular problems, now we don't need to actually think about remembering these formulas. We actually learned this particular concept in the previous module where we learned about percentage change. Do you remember the word change? I kept on repeating. So here, if I look at this, I can say that CP was actually my original price, right? Then it is undergoing certain change and then it is giving me SP. So can I tell that CP is nothing but the original thing and SP is nothing but the new thing or the new value or the new cost, right? So whatever change is happening, that is the profit, right? Remember when I said change is nothing but the difference? We are not going to actually look at whether I'm subtracting SP minus CP or CP minus SP. I'm just going to look at which of these is bigger and then I'll find the difference, right? So in this particular case, my particular SP is greater than my CP. So the difference is 5, right? And I can clearly see that it increased. So I will tell profit is 5. In this particular case, if I'm drawing my flow chart, my SP, which means the my origin new value is less than the original value. So it is clearly a loss. What is the difference? Difference is bigger number minus the smaller number. So the difference between 10 and 7 is 3. So using the concept which we learned in percentage change, we can easily calculate profit and loss.